Hello children, let's begin our today's class. We were discussing about the world's most famous diary written by Anne Frank, and this diary was given to her on her 13th birthday, in which she recorded the events of her life from 12th June 1942 till her final entry of 1st August 1944. Means nearly about for 2 years she wrote her feelings and about her daily routine life that was going on under hidden circumstances. So let's begin with page number 50. Writing in a diary is a really strange experience for someone like me. Why she calls it a strange experience? She has given the explanation here. Not only because I have never written anything before, इसलिए नहीं कि उसने पहले कभी नहीं लिखा है, but also because it seems to me that later on neither I nor anyone else will be interested in the musings. Musings means thoughts of a 13-year-old school girl. So इसके दो रीज़न हैं स्ट्रेंज लगने के. एक तो उसने पहले कभी नहीं लिखा है और दूसरा एन को ये लगता है कि ना वो ना कोई और एक 13-year-old गर्ल के थॉट्स और फीलिंग्स के को पढ़ने के लिए इंटरेस्टेड होगा. Oh well, it doesn't matter. लेकिन कोई बात नहीं. I feel like writing and I have an even greater need to get all kinds of things off my chest. She says, then also I'm feeling I feel an urgent need to write. I have even greater need. She is in great need to write because she wants to share her thoughts to someone else. Things off my chest means sharing your feelings to someone. So here she will share her feelings to her diary, and she considers her diary her most beloved friend. She says, paper has more patience than people. She says कि पेपर में ज़्यादा पेशेंस होता है लोगों के कंपैरिजन में, बिकॉज पेपर विल never raise any objection. Whatever you write and in whatever amount you write, paper will never raise any objection, unlike people. I thought of this saying on one of those days when I was feeling a little depressed. So this idea came to her when she was feeling a little bit sad and was sitting at home with my chin in my hands. अपना chin अपने हाथ में लेके बहुत सैड और डिप्रेस्ड होके घर में बैठी थी. देन शी गॉट दिस आइडिया दैट पेपर हैज़ मोर पेशेंस. बोर्ड एंड रेस्टलेस, व्हेन शी वाज वेरी मच बोर्ड एंड she had no energy, listless, wondering whether to stay in or go out. She was thinking whether she should stay in or should go out. I finally stayed where I was. Finally वो वहीं घर के अंदर ही रह गई, brooding, thinking, yes, paper does have more patience. So she finally agreed that paper has more patience. And since I am not planning to let anyone else read this stiff-backed notebook grandly, she knows very grandly, very proudly that she had no plan like somebody should read this diary. Stiff backed diary means diary which had a good binding. She had no idea that somebody would read it. Grandly it's referred to as a diary. So she knew that anybody was not going to read it unless I should ever find a real friend. If she ever got a real friend, friend only would read it. It probably won't make a bit of difference. So she had no different feeling. So she wanted to write her feelings in the paper. Now I'm back to the point that prompted me to keep a diary in the first place. Again she comes back to the same point, that why did she choose the diary to write her feelings. I don't have a friend. So the another so she again says that she has no friend, and that is why she is going to get things off her chest, means she is going to share her feelings. Let me put it more clearly, since no one will believe that a 13-year-old girl is completely alone in the world. कोई ये बिलीव नहीं करेगा कि 13-year-old गर्ल जो है इस दुनिया में पूरी तरह अकेली है, एंड आई एम नॉट, और मैं भी अकेली नहीं हूँ. आई हैव लविंग पेरेंट्स एंड अ 16-year-old sister, and there are about 30 people I can call friends. तो ऐसा नहीं है कि वो अकेली है, उसके बहुत सारे फ्रेंड्स हैं, बहुत सारे लोग हैं उसके आसपास. आई हैव अ फैमिली, लविंग आंट्स एंड अ गुड होम, सब हैं. नो, ऑन द सरफेस आई सीम टू हैव एवरीथिंग. सुपरफिशियली मेरे पास सब कुछ है एक्सेप्ट माई वन ट्रू फ्रेंड, लेकिन एक सच्चा दोस्त जिसे कहा जाए वो उसके पास नहीं है. So she is now going to make this diary her true friend, and she will share all her feelings and emotions. All I think about when I am with friends is having a good time. So वो सोचती है कि अच्छे friends हो तो उनके साथ एक अच्छा समय बिताया जाए. I can't bring myself to talk about anything but ordinary everyday things. In that situation, I cannot talk about anything. I can only talk about ordinary everyday things. We don't seem to be able to get any closure. और हम बहुत ज़्यादा क्लोज भी नहीं हो पाते. We don't seem to be able to get any closer, and that's the problem. Maybe it's my fault that we don't confide in each other. Confide means to share the secrets. वो जो भी फ्रेंड्स उसके मिलते हैं वो उनको अपनी बातें सीक्रेट्स जो है वो शेयर नहीं कर पाती. इन एनी केस दैट्स जस्ट हाउ थिंग्स आर. ऐसे ही हैं, सिचुएशन ऐसी ही है, एंड अनफॉर्चुनेटली दे आर नॉट लायबल टू चेंज. और ये सिचुएशन जो मेरी है कि मैं किसी को अपना ट्रू फ्रेंड नहीं बना पाती हूँ, ये चेंज नहीं होने वाली है. दिस इज़ वाई आई हैव स्टार्टेड द डायरी. सो दिस इज़ द रीज़न आई हैव started writing this diary. So students, all these things that her talk about her friends, family members, and why did she decide to write the diary, all this she is writing in her diary. To enhance the image of this long awaited friend in my imagination, I don't want to jot down the facts in this diary the way most people do. So this diary is my most long awaited friend of my imagination. So I would not follow the set pattern of the people like most people do, but I want the diary to be my friend. लेकिन मैं चाहती हूँ कि ये डायरी मेरी फ्रेंड हो, एंड आई एम गोइंग टू कॉल दिस फ्रेंड किटी. और मैं इस फ्रेंड को किटी बुलाने जा रही हूँ. सो दिस यू वुड हैव सीन इन द एनिमेटेड वीडियो. If you have not seen till now, please watch this video carefully. Now we'll come to another page. There are few questions. You can do it on your own. All these are very simple. What makes writing in a diary a strange experience for Anne Frank? This is given in the first passage. Why does Anne want to keep a diary? Because she has no friend. Why did Anne think she could confide more in her diary than in people? This is because she thinks that paper has more patience than people. So let's begin here. Since no one would understand a word of my stories to Kitty if I were to plunge writing. अगर मैं डायरेक्टली स्टार्ट कर दूँ लिखना तो कोई एक वर्ड भी नहीं समझेगा. Plunge writing means to start writing directly. I would better provide a brief sketch of my life. तो थोड़ा अच्छा होगा कि मैं एक इंट्रोडक्शन दे दूँ. Much as I dislike doing so. लेकिन मुझे ऐसा करना पसंद तो नहीं है, बट मुझे देना होगा. My father, the most adorable father I have ever seen, most loving father हैं वो मेरे. ever seen. Didn't marry my mother until he was 36. So जब when he married my mother he was 36 and my mother was 25. My sister Margot was born in Frankfurt in Germany in 1926. Simple. I was born on 12 June 1929. I lived in Frankfurt, that is in Germany, until I was 4. My father emigrated to Holland. इसके बाद फादर जो है एमिग्रेट कर गए, यानी उस कंट्री को छोड़ के दूसरी कंट्री में चले गए, हॉलैंड आ गए इन 1933. माई मदर 8th हॉलैंडर फ्रैंक वेंट विथ हिम टू हॉलैंड, वो भी हॉलैंड आ गई इन सितंबर. वाइल मार्गोट एंड आई वाज सेंट टू एचेन टू स्टे विद आवर ग्रैंड मदर, और मार्गोट और मैं अपनी ग्रैंड मदर के यहाँ रहने चले आए. मार्गोट वेंट टू हॉलैंड इन दिसंबर, मार्गोट हॉलैंड में चली गई. एंड देन आई ऑल्सो फॉलोड इन फेब्रवरी, मैं भी फेब्रवरी में पहुँच गई वहाँ. व्हेन आई वॉज प्लंक्ड डाउन ऑन द टेबल एज अ बर्थडे प्रेजेंट फॉर मार्गोट, और तब मुझे एक बर्थडे प्रेजेंट की तरह अपनी सिस्टर, बड़ी सिस्टर के बर्थडे प्रेजेंट की तरह मुझे प्रेजेंट किया गया. आई स्टार्टेड राइट अवे एट द मोंटेसरी नर्सरी स्कूल, वहाँ मैंने स्टार्ट किया. आई स्टेड देयर अंटिल आई वाज 6, एट विच टाइम आई स्टार्टेड इन द फर्स्ट फॉर्म. एंड देयर फर्स्ट फॉर्म मीन्स क्लास 1 से मैंने स्टार्ट किया. इन द 6th फॉर्म माई टीचर वॉज मिसेस क्यूपरस, द हेड मिस्ट्रेस. एट द एंड ऑफ द ईयर वी वर बोथ इन टीयर्स, और जब साल का अंत हुआ तो हम दोनों बहुत ज़्यादा हम दोनों इमोशनल हो गए थे. एज वी सेड अ हार्ट ब्रेकिंग फेयरवेल, जब हम लोगों ने एक बहुत ही सैड फेयरवेल एक दूसरे को दिया. इन द समर ऑफ 1941 ग्रैंडमा फेल इल, ग्रैंडमा बीमार पड़ी एंड हैड टू हैव एन ऑपरेशन, और उनका एक ऑपरेशन हुआ. सो माई बर्थडे पास्ड विथ लिटिल सेलिब्रेशन, इसलिए बहुत ग्रैंड कोई सेलिब्रेशन नहीं हुआ. Grandma died in January 1942. No one knows how often I think of her and still love her. So I was very much attached to my grandmother. अभी भी मैं उनके बारे में सोचती हूँ and still love her. This birthday celebration in 1942 was intended to make up for the other. ये birthday celebration in 1942 was intended to make up for the other. So जो बर्थडे सेलिब्रेशन हुआ उसको कॉम्पनसेट करने की कोशिश हुई. एंड ग्रैंड मास कैंडल वॉज लिट अलॉन्ग विद द रेस्ट, और ग्रैंड माँ का कैंडल और लोगों के कैंडल के साथ ही जला दिया गया. द 4 of us आर स्टिल डूइंग वेल, हम चारों अभी भी अच्छे से रह रहे हैं. एंड दैट ब्रिंग्स मी टू द प्रेजेंट डेट ऑफ 20th June 1942. So all 4 means mother, father, elder sister and Anne Frank herself. So now the date is 20th June 1942 and the solemn sacred dedication of my diary. So whatever she wrote, that was dedication towards her diary. That's all for today.